Hello guys and welcome to our Royal Choice channel.
Most comfortable golf shoes for wide feet. Welcome to the Royal Choice channel. Today we will see the 5 most comfortable golf shoes for wide feet. We all have situations where our shoes were too narrow for our feet, which can be pretty uncomfortable. You might want to have a look at some of the best golf shoes for wide feet now on sale. For more information about these products, check out the link in the description below with the updated price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. 1. FootJoy Men's Personal Golf Shoes. If you're looking for an affordable and stylish shoe, the Lady Mulligan might be your best option. Featuring a waterproof microfiber upper and an OptiSoft midsole, this is the perfect all-purpose shoe. It provides cushioning thanks to Ortholet Comfort 3D. It fits perfectly, is compact, and is breathable. Your foot stays fresh in your shoe when you play because the insert is moisture-wicking, breathable, and antimicrobial. The Halo Diamond and Halo Pro shoes have an upper made of soft, high-performance microfiber that has the feel and look of leather but is lighter weight while remaining durable, comfortable, and waterproof. During the day, it keeps you cool with a heat-wicking mesh lining. According to some, Adidas bounce is better than other bounces. Pros. Lady Mulligan is a stunningly dressed woman. Comfort insoled by Callaway. A waterproof warranty is limited to 1 year. A tour level, narrow, standard, and wide fit options. Versatile traction. Dual density FTF plus midsole. Exceptional stability. Modern tech series. Cons. Not recommended for high arches. 2. New Balance Men's 518 Golf Shoe. The space here is good for wriggling your toes when you're late in a round of golf. In addition to the extra padding, these shoes provide shock absorption when needed to support the metatarsals. The leather used in many golf shoes lends to their flexibility and comfort on the golf course. The metatarsal support of the foot is essential when moving the ball. When a golfer finishes their game, they put the ball in their foot. Due to the hot climate in some parts of the world, golf shoe manufacturers offer sandals for golfers who play in such regions. Golf are shoes designed for hot summer days. These classic styles feature breathable materials. A blister, hot spot, funky smell, or anything similar does not exist on the skin. A combination of lightweight cushioning and responsiveness makes for just pure comfort, thanks to the Revlet midsole. Pros. Responsiveness is enabled by Revlet cushioned midsoles. Water-resistant microfiber leather uppers. Removable slim look cleats. Big toe box ideal for wide feet. Breathable mesh up. No synthetic overlays. Endurance spikeless rubber outsole. Rivet 10mm drop midsole for lightweight cushioning. Low profile design. Cons. The inner sole may need to be replaced in rare cases. 3. Men's Tech Response Golf Shoes. As a starter option, these Adidas shoes are an excellent option for those just starting out in golf. It is also important to know that even if you need a knee size due to your big feet, you might be able to find a wider version of your standard shoe size. The fit is excellent without a doubt. Golf shoes with spineless soles are increasingly popular, particularly new ones. There is now more than one sole style of these comfortable golf shoes for wide feet. Prickly and spiked golf shoes are available for men. Moving on, the building materials are incredibly comfortable, lightweight, and long-lasting. The use of non-marked, rugged Adidas outsoles with traction lugs was found to be the most practical. This will make it easier to stay balanced and grip the golf club on the course. In the inside, there is cloud foam, a well-cushioned and lightweight sock liner. Adidas Tech Response shoes are also equipped with exclusive Thindicky XP cleats and are eco-friendly. Pros. Extremely convenient, compact, and long-lasting. Traction lugs on non-marking outsoles for a secure grip. Thindick cleats that are environmentally friendly. Lightweight cloud foam sock liner with plenty of cushioning. Cons. Size and color choices are restricted. Not water-resistant material. 4. Callaway Men's Balboa TRX Golf Shoe. Callaway makes some of the best golf clubs, such as these Callaway irons for mid-handicappers. Considering this, the Balboa TRX Golf Shoe, with its light, airy design and insole that keeps your large feet in place, is great for large feet. Also, read wearing one size bigger shoes the ultimate guide. Additionally, the lugs with multi-direction traction control are eye-catching. They mount on the spikeless outsoles. In addition, this golf course has a unique mesh liner that significantly improves its heat control. Additionally, the EVA midsoles and sock liners deliver all the cushioning you need to play well, regardless of your foot size. Pros. Traction control lugs on the Dura rubber outsoles. OptiVent mesh upper with 3D stability print for optimum breathability and breathability and heat control with the OptiVent mesh liner. Even midsoles are soft, lightweight, and cushioned. Extremely comfortable extra wide width fit. Cons. Leather can be difficult to keep clean. 5. Ecco Men's Biome Hybrid 3 Golf Shoe. This is the editor's choice, and that shouldn't be surprising because the brand chosen is Ecco. They manufacture some of the most comfortable golf shoes for both men and women. As for their Biome Hybrid 3, the pair features a removable extra foot, which comes in handy to give you additional room in the case of wide feet. Ecco's quintessential Gore-tex waterproof technology is a part of the mix here. It combines factors like protection and breathability. Then comes the revolutionary Biome technology to bring your feet closer to that turf for natural motion. With incredibly lightweight and strong yak leather uppers, these shoes are sure to go the extra mile. Pros: waterproof Gore-tex technology. Tri-Fi grip provides rotational stability and support. Grip-enhancing slim lock spikes, removable antimicrobial, cushioned ortholite insole for added width. A wide toe box gives you plenty of space to wiggle your toes. Different traction angles for grip are given by hybrid outsoles. Cons: spiked options will offer more grip in the wet. So this is all about the most comfortable golf shoes for wide feet. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description.